following contest is a singles match with a 30-minute time limit scheduled for one fall, and it is for your Winnipeg Professional Wrestling Heavyweight Championship!
Whoa! See him coming out with that abominable snowman he found outside named Brax.
Yeah.
So I don't know how much of a fair title bout this is going to be.
The most hated man, not only in WPW, but Winnipeg itself, Chizzled Chad Daniels, with that absolute beast of a man, Brax, watching over his shoulder. What is the relationship between these two? We don't know what's going on. We just saw Brax helping out Chad back in December at Stooge. What does this mean?
James Roth coming off of big victories at Rumble in the Bird and a big 8-man tag at Stooge. Ready to defend his title for the very first time.
Did you see as James Roth entered the ring that Brax just eyed him up as he was getting out?
I did.
Roth has his signature, running the ropes, and Brax was not having any part of that.
But who moved, Blair? Who moved?
Very true.
That's how you win games of chicken. Oh wait, no, that's how you lose games of chicken.
Yes.
There we go.
Chizzled Chad Daniels against the real deal James Roth, the WPW heavyweight champ. A massive first defense here for James Roth.
Oh, Chad's looking fired up here. Now Chad Daniels earned a shot at the title at Rumble in the Burt, winning the Rumble in the Burt match.
That victory propelling him to an automatic title shot. James Roth victorious at Rumble in the Burt, becoming the new WPW heavyweight champion.
Winnipeg, this match is for the Winnipeg Professional Wrestling Heavyweight Championship!
It's the biggest prize in the city, Blair.
And these two are ready to lay it all on the line.
Chad Daniels very impatient right now. Here we go.
Right in the center of the ring, locking up. Roth pushes Daniels right off.
The power of James Roth.
And Roth is laser focused right now.
Razor sharp, you can say. Looking to lock up again.
Oh, waist control. Roth takes down Daniels. Spins around him. Locks up that left arm.
Some mat wrestling by James Roth.
Rolls him up. Rolls him over, sorry. Arm drag. Ducks the clothesline. Oh. And Roth really using that grappling to his advantage here. Gut wrenches him up and drives him down.
That's that fireman strength, Blair. Fireman strength.
I don't think Chad was ready for that. Big elbow by Roth.
I agree with you. I think Roth's been countering everything Chad's thrown at him so far.
Oh, huge overhead belly to belly. And Roth is just locked in right now. The clothesline sends Daniels to the outside.
Oh, I don't know if that's good, Blair. That's giving Chad time to rest.
And when you see that mountain of a man on the outside watching over him.
It's like seeing wolves on another side of the fence, you know?
You know they're there.
Yeah.
And Roth to the outside. Oh. Brax and James Roth eye to eye, nose to nose, and Daniels from behind.
Taking advantage of the distraction.
Using that alliance with Brax to his advantage, rolling Roth back into the ring. Daniels arguing with the crowd, allowing Roth time to recover. And Roth deciding to help Daniels back into the ring.
Roth dominant in this match so far.
Using that size and strength to his advantage. Daniels, reversal. Roth leaps over. Huge suplex. Cover. And Daniels kicks out.
Planted him with that German suplex.
Roth helping him back up to his feet. Irish whip. Daniels reverses. Oh, Brax from the outside grabbing the ankle of James Roth. Referee Alfonso distracted by Chizzled Chad Daniels. Daniels. Oh, springboard drop kick. That could be the advantage that Chad needed.
Roth has to keep his head in the game. He can't get distracted by Brax. I know it's hard not to because he's big, burly, and scary looking, but you got to ignore him.
Daniels to the top rope. Shades of the Macho Man Randy Savage with that double axe handle off the top.
Wow.
Daniels standing over Roth on the outside. Referee Alfonso with the 10 count. Daniels. Oh! Driving Roth's shoulder first into those steps. Solid oak steps.
Yeah, those steps are pretty hard.
Daniels first back into the ring. Distracting referee Alfonso. But Brax on the outside. Oh! Driving James Roth into the post.
And those posts have edges, bro. Okay, they're not curved. That's solid steel.
And referee Alfonso seeing none of it.
Because he hasn't taken advantage of the eye exam program. The only one who has is Cam.
Referee Cam.
Referee Cam. Official Cam.
The crowd urging on James Roth, trying to get him back up to his feet. And they're fired up. Referee Alfonso at 5.
Roth slowly making his way to the ring. Can he make it?
Rolls back in. And Daniels with the advantage here, stomping on James Roth. You have to wonder how much that beating from Brax on the outside is taken out of James Roth. Daniels stepping on the neck, sucking all of the air out of the body of James Roth. Daniels gets him up across the knee. And drives him down with a neck breaker. Rolls through. And
the disrespect, Blair.
Showing the cardio, but now might not be the time. You got to take advantage. This is for the WPW Heavyweight Championship.
No time for a hot dog in here. Hey, don't talk about hairlines here, bro. Especially not this table.
No kidding. Irish whip sends Roth across and down he goes.
The ring shifted on that one.
The absolute force.
He should be capitalizing on the champion right now.
This is where maybe a little bit of inexperience from Chad Daniels really showing through.
I think it might just be ego.
Either way, it can come back to bite you. Oh! A hip attack into the lifeless body of James Roth, draped across that middle turnbuckle. Brax walks by just like an eclipse. This dude is massive. And Daniel slams down the champ. Daniels from the outside. Oh!
Corkscrew crossbody?
Yeah, almost a tornado back into the inside. Only a 2 count. Roth trying to get back up to his feet. Irish whip to the corner.
He's got him up. What's he going for here?
Oh! Driving Roth to the canvas.
Is this it?
Only a 2 count. Still a whole lot of fight left in the champ. I mean, these two, their paths have crossed over various times in their careers. And it's all coming to a head right here at Cold Out 3. The challenger, Chizzled Chad Daniels, trying to dethrone the champion, James Roth. Sends him to the corner. Follows it up. Oh, Daniels eats an elbow. Roth gets that boot up. The challenger staggered. Roth ducks out of the way. Follows it up. Big clothesline. Roth again with a big splash. Driving that shoulder into the stomach of Chad Daniels.
A little too close to Brax. Hopefully he can pull this off.
Roth slingshot, drop kick.
Beautiful. Right into the chest of Chad Daniels.
And Roth feeding off that energy. He's riding that high. Stalking down Chad Daniels. Oh,
Wow.
the power.
All right, this has got to be it.
Cover. Oh, and Daniels barely kicks out. Only a 2 count for the champ. Roth working his way up as Brax stalks on the outside.
What's Roth thinking here?
Roth.
Whoa. Roth doesn't normally go up here.
Oh, and Brax. Oh, Daniels capitalizes. James Roth's attention was focused on Brax. Both guys fighting. Roth knocks him off. Oh! Big boot staggers Roth. Daniels gets up there.
Looks like he's looking for a
They're going to the top rope.
super duperplex here.
Whoa!
Giant cutter from the top rope.
Top rope cutter. Daniels looking to end it. Oh,
What's going up to the top rope here?
going to the opposite rope.
What's he thinking?
Daniels. 5-star frog splash by Chizzled Chad Daniels. Hooks the leg. The champ kicks out. The real deal kicks out.
He lives the moniker, Blair. He lives the moniker.
Daniels is flabbergasted. He thought he had him there. He has to be wondering what he has to do to put away James Roth.
I feel like he gave him everything. Now what's left?
Waist control. Roth reverses. Whoa, ripcord clothesline.
Turning Chad Daniels inside out.
Wow. Cover. Oh, Daniels kicks out. With every ounce of energy left in his body, Chad Daniels kicks out.
Both competitors very worn out at the moment. They both got to be thinking, what do I got to do to put this man away?
Referee Alfonso starts the 10 count. You've got two blue chippers here, two of the best in Winnipeg, laying it all on the line, fighting for the most prestigious championship here, the WPW heavyweight title. Trading forearms back and forth. These guys are just slugging it out.
They're back on their feet.
Oh! Goes for the pump kick. Oh, Roth answers back with a kick of his own. Oh, Daniels lands a knee. Ducks the clothesline. Oh! Massive suplex by Roth. He's eyeing him up. Daniels ducks the clothesline. Pop up. Oh! Oh! Styles Clash!
My God!
That has to be it. Cover. Oh!
Whoa!
Chad Daniels kicks out of the Styles Clash.
Dude, that was crazy.
both guys wondering what they need to do to win this one.
Both are pulling out moves they've never pulled out before.
Roth signals for it.
He's calling his shot.
Gets him up. Daniels fights out. Oh! Down goes the ref. James Roth checking on him. Oh! Eats a super kick.
Chad Daniels barking orders.
Brax is grabbing the heavyweight title.
I think Wilford screamed a little bit.
Oh! Roth fights out.
Roth not having it.
Nope. Grabs the title. They're fighting over it. Oh! Inadvertently hitting Chad with the championship belt. Referee Alfonso seeing it.
It was clearly an accident. He saw that. He saw that.
No. Oh!
What kind of a call is that?
Your winner of the match, Chizzled Chad Daniels.
You know that James Roth did not want the match to end this way. The type of competitor that he is,
The
this has to
title
be eating him up
cannot
inside.
change hands on a disqualification. So, and still, your Winnipeg Professional Wrestling Heavyweight Champion, James Roth.
James Roth is someone who feeds off honor, feeds off integrity. You know that this is not the way he wants to retain the WPW Heavyweight Championship. And as much of an accident as it is, this has to be eating him up inside. Brax helping Chad to the back, and James Roth pleading his case to referee Alfonso.
I don't think Alfonso's having any of it. He's made his call. He's not reversing it.
No, referee's discretion, and it was in full view in front of him, unfortunately. You know, James Roth didn't want it to be this way. He wanted to walk out victorious on his own merit, retaining that title on his own. Still your WPW Heavyweight Champion, the real deal, James Roth.
Winnipeg will now be taking an intermission. Get yourself a drink, get yourself some merchandise from a wonderful wrestler from our roster, and check out the Winnipeg Pro Wrestling merchandise. We've got everything from coffee to VHS tapes. We'll see you soon.